Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 1960 Chevy El Camino, and this is by Matchbox. So this is from their mainline series, and so I bought this for 149 rupees, and I bought this from Hamleys. So a lot of Hamleys cars actually, the Matchbox ones doesn't have this tracking stickers actually, because if you are buying directly from them, if they're keeping it for you specifically, sometimes they won't put the sticker. So that's the reason. Okay, let's unbox this one and see how it looks. So I personally loved this casting so much, so I bought this one, not just for unboxing purpose. I really wanted to keep it with me. Oh my god, these talks are really irritating me. So here is the closer look of the casting, and so the initial impressions of this casting are this actually looks really beautiful, and it's really a solid casting. It does have some kind of, I think, let me just take a closer look. Okay, so I don't see any paint rashes, which is really nice because I really love this casting. I don't want to search for another one, and it's a good thing, they embossed for the headlights instead of just painting it out. And there is no logo at all here. So the tail lights are actually painted, and there is a logo here, but which is not clear. And you can see some chassis detailing here, which is really nice. And the body is made of metal. So this piece here, which is made of plastic, and the chassis is made of plastic. The wheels are made of plastic. So it has some interior detailing to it as well. Let me just see if I can show it to you guys. Here it is, which is really nice. It is very low actually, which I personally love, like a low rider. I'm really not sure how the original El Camino looks. I honestly forgot now. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. It is really heavy when it's rolling. It doesn't roll really well actually, and both wheels wobble a lot. So if you guys really want to play with this, I don't think it is really a good casting, unless especially if you want to play this with a Hot Wheels track. This is not going to perform really that well with this much of a wheel wobble. But apart from this, if you guys are just going to collect it and just going to showcase it in a display or something like that, then this looks really beautiful. And so personally I can say, compared to Hot Wheels, even though they are same manufacturer, Matchbox has some nice detailing to it. I really don't know why they are doing like that, but still, what we can do. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.